Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn area, surface area, and volume together, step by step. Volume measures the space a solid fills. For a cuboid, multiply length, width, and height. A cylinder is the circle's area, pi r squared, times its height. A cone holds exactly 1/3 of its matching cylinder. And a sphere uses 4/3 pi r cubed. These four formulas cover most solids you'll meet. Surface area is the total area of every outside face. Imagine unwrapping the solid flat. A cuboid has 6 rectangles, giving 2 times the sum of length-width, length-height, and width-height. A cylinder has 2 circular ends, plus the curved side, which unrolls into a rectangle. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Always add every surface. Find the volume of a cylinder with radius 5 and height 8. The formula is pi r squared times h. 5 squared is 25, times 8 is 200. So the volume is 200 pi, which is about 628.3 cubic units. Square the radius first, then multiply by the height. That's the routine. Now a cone with radius 3 and height 9. A cone is 1/3 of its cylinder, so volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. 3 squared is 9, times the height 9 is 81, times 1/3 is 27. So the volume is 27 pi, roughly 84.8 cubic units. Don't forget that 1/3 factor. Here's your formula sheet. Cuboid volume is length times width times height. Cylinder is pi r squared times height. A cone is 1/3 of that cylinder, and a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. For surface area, add up every face. Keep units cubed for volume and squared for area, and you'll handle any solid with confidence. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.